Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is a special video on Veracity and this is a part 3 of this video. So if you haven't seen the first part, I request you to first go and watch the first part. Then this video might make more sense to you. I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. So guys, for the first time I had shared this possibility of VRA showing something epic on charts, 23,000% pump incoming. That was on in August, if I remember correctly. Yeah, that was on 13th of August 2021. And this is a follow-up to it. So today morning I had shared this that VRA is showing something very similar. So let us go and see what is it showing exactly. Again, I'm telling you, if you haven't seen the first part, please first go and watch the first part. Then this might make more sense to you. And guys, I need your help. I need your support. My YouTube channel has reached 870 subscribers. Can you please help me reach 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible? If you are joining me for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. So this is the VRA weekly chart and I've opened it in two tabs. So this tab, I'll go to the old pump or the old chart. Yeah. So this is what we are tracking, that can we get the similar pump this time? And let us see how are we doing till now. So you can see very clearly over here that this was the bottom. This was, again, guys, this is a weekly chart. So this was the rounding bottom from where we started a new pump in November of 2020. And similarly, this was a very similar rounding bottom wherein we have started this new impulse wave. So if we take the first weekly green candle and let us first calculate the pump till now. This is the red candle, which I'm believing we are over here, somewhere over here right now. Okay. And if we look at this green candle, let me take it very precise. So it's almost 725% pump from the bottom. And if we calculate today this new wave, and let us look at again how far we have come till now. Calculating again from the weekly green candle till this red candle top, it's 727%, almost identical. This is 725%, this is 727%. Let us also calculate the number of days it took. Again, from this weekly to this red, it took 12 bars, so 84 days, as one bar is of 1 week in this chart. If we look at this same thing, then this took 14 bars, 98 days. So in fact, this new pump is 2 weeks faster than the old pump. As we all know that we are in the final leg of bull market. Of course, this is no guarantee, but generally what we are experiencing this bull run is very similar to 2013 bull run where there was double top. And the second wave is always much faster than the first wave. And we can see this very clearly in this VRA chart that we are 2 weeks, in fact, early as compared to the last pump. Now, if we, let us again calculate how long should we take for us to reach to the new all-time high. If again, this is a big if we go on pumping the very similar way, then what can we expect? So first, let us calculate the price. Taking from the bottom, the all-time high. it's 3,575%. So 3,500, 3,600%. And if we take this similar pump from this red candle's bottom, and if we take it to 3,500%, it gives us almost $1.9 VRA. So which I had shared in the part 1 of the video that I expect if we go on the similar way, we can hit $1.8 VRA. And this is what we are getting right now, 1.8 to 1.85. And if we measure the time it took, as we know till now, this wave is in fact quicker than the last wave. But let us first see what happened in the last wave. Again, we will calculate the dates from this red weekly candle to the all-time high. It took 49 days, 7 bars. So if we calculate the same over here, and from the current weekly red bar, then the 49 days or 7 bars will take us to 29th November. So if we continue with the same exact pump, then we can reach to $1.8 by 29th November. But I don't expect this to happen. What I am telling you is, let us consider we take twice the time. Till now, we are in fact 2 weeks earlier. We are quicker. Let me remind you, we just saw that. We are 2 weeks earlier than what was happening in the last pump. But still, I am thinking that let us take more time. I don't mind taking more time. Then just 2x the time, then it is 98 days. That takes us to 17th January 2022. So what is the general expectation? That we will go on at least till Q4 of this year. We'll have Bitcoin top, and generally whenever Bitcoin tops, altcoins stop at least 15 days to 1 month after that. So assuming that this theory is right, then we can see that even 2x the time will take us to 17 January. If we take just 12 bars, 84 days, that is 3rd January. And if we take 77 days, that is 27 December. So going by the date and the general assumption, we are still on track. If we also consider that, let us consider, in my opinion, this wave can be bigger than the last wave. But let us be very conservative and let us say that we go only half of what we did over here. And if we go only half of what we did over here, then also it is 1750% from the red weekly candle bottom. And that will take us to mind you, I am just taking 50% of what we did last time. That will take us almost to $1 VRA, 18.62%, and 1750% to 96 cents. So almost $1 VRA if we consider only 50%. And we know that currently we are in fact slightly higher than the previous wave. So we are even higher than the previous wave. We are also quicker than the previous wave. But I am considering that we take twice the time and we go only half of what we did in this next impulse wave. Then also we can reach to $1 at least, in my opinion. This is what I can very clearly see in this chart. So we are still on track and nothing has broken right now to say that VRA cannot reach up till 1.5 to 1.8 to even $2 as a blow of top, that is possible looking at the previous data. So this is something very exciting, and it's been holding. This theory of mine is at least holding till now. And I am the first one to share about this, that in my opinion, VRA is repeating its own fractal. And if you guys like this video, please guys share it with other people and help me grow this channel. Thank you so much. Without fail, follow me on Twitter, and do not miss out on following me on Telegram. I have a Telegram channel which is also free of cost, where I share a lot of TA and whatever I feel about different crypto assets. So subscribing to my Telegram channel or subscribing to my YouTube channel will always keep you updated about the crypto markets and my point of view related to the different market situations. Thank you again, once again, for joining me in this video. Take care. Bye-bye.